my new humidifier, and look how beautiful it looks. I'm super excited to show you how it works and all its features. So let's start by saying it's a large capacity humidifier. So in this tank, it fits 17 liters of water or 4.49 gallons of water, which is a really good amount of water, so you don't have to constantly refill it. It also doesn't have a replacement filter, so you don't have to worry about replacing the filter, finding the one that fits with this particular model or anything like that. So that's another really great thing about it. It also covers a really large area of space. So I have little humidifiers at home in my kids' room, but we were looking for something that will cover a bigger area. So that way if we have it downstairs, it covers the sunroom, the living room, the kitchen, the playroom. And if we have it upstairs, it covers all the rooms and also the office. So this is a great product specifically for that because it covers an area of up to 1,000 square feet. So that is a really great area of coverage, and that way we don't have to have multiple devices all over the different rooms. So this product is amazing. I'm going to show you how it works and all the features that it has. So we're going to turn it on first. And look, it's already going. So it doesn't even take a second and it's already going. You just put the water in the tank and it's good to go. So I just press the button. It comes with a remote control. So I just press the on button and it's already working. Then it has different settings. It has the sleep setting. So you can see the display is on. But if I just click on the sleep setting, the display is off and then it won't disturb your sleep if you don't like to have the light on at night. And then you can just turn it back on. And then you can customize the humidity. It goes from 45% to 95%. So by pressing the button, it goes up to by 5%. And then that way, like I said, you can go from 45 to 95% depending on how much you want the humidity to be. And then you can control the mist volume. So that's the highest level. This will be the lowest level. Then there's medium. And there's high. And then the highest. So look at that, it works amazingly. It also has another button for the intermittent mist, or you can make it constant, whatever you want. It has a timer and it has a UV light option button right here. So when you click on it, you will see that the UV light icon is turned on, and that means that the UV light is on and it's killing all the bacteria. So this is a great product. It works fantastically. Look at all this mist. And like I said, it's great because it's large capacity, it covers a great amount of area, and it has wheels so you can move it around. Once it's full, it's gonna be a little heavy, so you don't have to worry a lot about lifting it, so you can just move it around. And then on the side, let me show you, right here, on the back of it, it has a little compartment so you can put essential oils. My kids and my whole family loves lavender because it helps them calm down, especially right before bedtime. So we're definitely going to use it with lavender essential oils, but you can use it with any other essential oils that you might like.